401. Masseteric nerve is a branch of? Answer: B. Mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. 402. Damage to external laryngeal nerve results in? Answer: B. Loss of the timbre of voice. 403. Treatment of choice for subgaleal hematoma? Answer: D. Conservative. 404. Abduction of shoulder is done by all, except? Answer: A. teres major. 405. Hypolossal nerve is? Answer: B. Purely motor. 406. The anterior triangle occupy the side of the neck in front of sternomastoid muscle. Each triangle presents boundaries in front? Answer: A. Anterior median line of the neck extending from symphysis menti to suprasternal notch. 407. All of the following structures are associated with branches of the trigeminal nerve except the? Answer: D. stylomastoid foramen. 408. The occulomotor nerve supplies all the muscles of eye except? Answer: E, A and B. 409. All of the following is true of facial nerve except? Answer: B. It has no sensory component. 410. Depression and protrusion of the mandible? Answer: B. Lateral, external, pterygoid muscle. 411. The lower lip gets its sensory supply though the? Answer: D. Mental nerve. 412. The posterior bellies of digastric muscle are especially active during? Answer: C. Swallowing and chewing. 413. All of the following muscles are supplied by the mandibular nerve except? Answer: B. buccinator. 414. Failure of descent of thyroid analogue can be seen in the tongue? Answer: C. Near the base of tongue close to foramen cecum. 415. Tributary of the cavernous sinus includes all of the following, except? Answer: D. Deep middle cerebral vein. 416. Which one of the following is a branch of facial nerve? Answer: D. Greater superficial petrosal nerve. 417. All of the following muscles are attached to oblique line of thyroid cartilage except? Answer: A. Superior constrictor. 418. Which of the following muscle divides the submandibular gland into a superficial and deep part? Answer: B. Mylohyoid. 419. The external jugular vein? Answer: C. It is formed by the union of the posterior auricular vein and posterior division of the retromandibular vein. 420. Infarction of anterior inferior cerebellar artery may cause damage to? Answer: C. Vestibular nuclei. 421. Artery palpable AR. The anterior border of masseter is artery? Answer: B. Phaecal. 422. Lymph from lower lip middle part drains directly into? Answer: B. Submental nodes. 423. All of the following carry proprioception from head and neck except? Answer: D. Cranial accessory nerve. 424. In an adult, the spinal cord end at the level of? Answer: A. Lower border of Lee. 425. Ciliary ganglion is located? Answer: D. Apex of orbit between optic nerve and lateral rectus. 426. The narrowest part of GIT is? Answer: D. Pharyngo-esophageal junction. 427. The common carotid artery may be palpated at? Answer: B. Upper border of thyroid cartilage. 428. When the mouth is opened wide, modiolus becomes? Answer: C. Immobile. 429. Lingual artery is a branch of? Answer: B. External carotid artery. 430. Suprameatal triangle externally represents? Answer: D. Mastoid antrum. 431. The mucosa of the posterior third of the tongue is supplied by? Answer: D. Glossopharyngeal nerve. 432. Infection spreading via lymphatics from the lower lip first enter the bloodstream at the? Answer: A. brachiocephalic vein. 433. Soft palate is supplied by? Answer: D. All of the above. 434. The number of branches of the internal carotid artery in the neck is? Answer: A. None. 435. Palatine aponeurosis is? Answer: B. Tendon of tensor veli palatine muscle. 436. Muscle of palate, which works around hamular notch and forms a tendon is? Answer: C. Tensor palatine. 437. The tip of nose is supplied by nerve? Answer: C. Ophthalmic. 438. The cranial nerves which are part of parasympathetic cord via? Answer: C. 3, 7, 9, X. 439. Main arterial supply to the tongue is? Answer: C. Lingual artery. 440. The papillae present on margins of the tongue? Answer: A. Fungiform papillae. 441. Which of the following muscles has dual nerve supply? Answer: A. digastric. 442. Middle conchae of nose are a part of? Answer: B. ethmoid. 443. TMJ is supplied by? Answer: D. A and B. 444. The hypoglossal nerve is the motor nerve to all of the muscles of the tongue except the? Answer: B. palatoglossus. 445. The stage of deglutition, which is voluntary in nature? Answer: A. Stage I. 446. All of the following muscles are grouped together as muscles of mastication except? Answer: A. buccinator. 447. The first costochondral joint is A? Answer: D. synarthrosis. 448. The cortex of lymph node contains? Answer: C. lymphatic nodules. 449. All of the following muscles retract scapula except? Answer: D. levator scapulae. 450. All of the following are digastrics, except? Answer: D. sternocleidomastoid.